Most people don't realize the potential Pinterest has when it comes to affiliate marketing. With over 400 million active monthly users and one post can last up to a year, this makes it the perfect platform to start affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is first choose your niche and choose your name. Some popular niches would be cooking, anything with food. You can do cleaning, you can do blogging, the DIY niche. These are all popular categories. One of my favorites and one of the most popular by far is food/cooking and recipes. This works extremely well on Pinterest. So just make sure you pick a popular niche because on Pinterest it's hot or it's cold. So once you choose on your niche, you need to create a name. As you can see, my name right here, let me make it a little bigger. It's Dreamlike Cooking, Food, Recipes, Cooking. It's not that hard. You just want a name where people just know what they're going to get from your page. And plus, you want to have a couple keywords too. So if somebody pushing, food, recipes, or cooking to the search bar, I can potentially come up because that's what my page about. So that's how you want to structure your name on Pinterest. All right, once you're done choosing your name and niche, it's time to move on to step 2, and that is just picking your affiliate program or how you would want to get paid. Let's go back to one of my pages, like my Dreamlike Cooking page. Like I have a link in my bio right here, so if we click on it, it'll take you to one of my stores to a product that I'm selling, as you can see. So if people click on my bio and they come here and buy my product, I get paid. So just make sure you know how you're gonna get paid and it's something relatable. And let's go over a few different ways that you can get paid. The first one, of course, is by just a store. You can create a store like this, a drop shipping store or something similar, and put it in your bio. The second way is affiliate marketing, of course, and a top program is Amazon Associates. All you gotta do is come over to amazonassociates.com and sign up. It's really easy to sign up. Just put in your basic information. You can even sign up with your Amazon account, so just come over to this website and sign up. Or if you don't want to use Amazon Associates, another great program is CJ Affiliate. They're an amazing affiliate program. They have big numbers, as you can see, 1 billion plus monthly global customers, 14 plus billion annually. So as you can see, they get a lot of traffic and their affiliate program works. And the third one that you can use is Impact. They have a lot of big brands on here that you can partner with and start promoting. As you can see, they work with some of the top brands like McAfee, Walmart, Ticketmaster, Microsoft, Levi's, Novo, and it just goes on. So these 3 are some of my top affiliate programs. But let's say you didn't want to use none of these and you have a specific brand that you want to work with in mind. So let's say that brand is Target. All you need to do is just go over to Google, go to a new homepage and type in Target affiliate program, click it, and as you can see, Target earn with Target partners. You can easily start earning. All you need to do is just come over to Google and just search in whatever brand that you want to work with and see if they have an affiliate program, which most top brands do, and just sign up so you can start promoting and earning some cha-ching. Okay, once you decide on your affiliate program, it's time to choose what type of content you want to create. It's a few different ways that you can create content or repurpose them, so I'm going to go over the ways that I do it. So let's just jump straight into the step. So on my Dreamlike Cooking page, what I do is just go over to TikTok, and then I go over to this app called Snaptic.app, paste in the link that I got from TikTok. This removes the TikTok logo because other platforms don't like that. And then I repurpose them on Pinterest, and then I put credit in the bio. So whatever their name is on TikTok, you'll just want to credit them, and that's how I grow on Pinterest for this page right here. And that's one of the ways that you can use. It's probably the easiest one to grow. As you can see, you can get some pretty good engagement. Like this one right here got 22,000, 15,000, 2.7K, 14K, 23K. So you can get some great engagement off of doing this way. Or if you don't want to repurpose, the second way you can do it is just creating your own content. Like my page right here, Crisp So Clean, I create my own content. Like this right here is a pin that I created. You can create pins by using Canva. Let's go to Canva real quick so I can show you exactly how to create a pin. So this is Canva. Just come over to canva.com to sign up, and once you do, all you need to do is come over to create a design. So just come over and you'll see Pinterest pin right here. You want to click on it. It's going to be 1,000 by 1,500. Click on this, and what you're going to see come up is a bunch of different designs and everything on the left hand side. And all you need to do is come over here and then use whatever word that you want that describes your pin. So I'm doing my cleaning page, so I'm gonna click on cleaning and just scroll through. Like this one right here, I could put in some decent tips, 0 waste cleaning tips. I can change the text up if I want to, like 3 cleaning tips for cleaning your bathroom. So I can do that like this, and then I can resize it. I can delete this if I wanted to, if this in a way, make this right here, and then if I want to change this text right here. But all you need to do is just go through it, make sure it looks good, download it. As you can see, it's really clean and it's not that hard to create. You can customize it however you want. You can add in different elements over here. Like, let's say you wanted to add in a bird for some reason, you can add in a bird. You just type it up, whatever you want in your photo. You can get different text right here. So Canva is definitely an easy tool to use when it comes to creating Pinterest pins and different content formats. So once you're done creating, all you need to do is come over here to hit share, click download, and hit the download button. It'll be in your files. So now that we have our graphic for our Pinterest pin, let's go over to Pinterest and upload it. So once you're back to Pinterest, all you need to do is come over to the top right hand corner or left, whatever side is on, click this and come over to create pin organic. Don't go paid, go organic and hit create pin. And right here, whatever file you just downloaded for your Pinterest pin from Canva, go and upload it to Pinterest now. And now, as you can see, you need a title, you need a description and a link and a board. So it might look a little overwhelming, but I have an easy way to get a title and description. So if you're productive like me, this is going to be a great way to get your title and description. We can use AI to do it. So you can either use ChatGPT, but my go-to tool is Jasper AI. It's basically the same as ChatGPT, but more formatted for content creators. So whatever tool you're using, ChatGPT or another AI tool similar, all you need to do is just come in and type in whatever you're pin about. Mine is 3 cleaning tips for the bathroom. So I'm gonna type that in. So if you're on ChatGPT, type in whatever your pin is about and then add in title and description for a Pinterest pin. Add that in, but for me, I already have mine formatted on Jasper AI. So this is just for people that's on ChatGPT. So I'm gonna hit generate content, and as you can see, it came up with a pin title and a pin description. So I'm gonna go through and see which one I like. So this Pinterest pin title right here is really attracting me. 3 easy cleaning tips for a sparkling bathroom, because who wouldn't want a sparkling bathroom? So I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go back to Pinterest, paste that in, and now I'm gonna go look for a description. So this description right here is really nice to me. Discover 3 simple and effective tips for cleaning your bathroom, sparkling clean. It goes great for my title, and you don't need to copy the whole description. You can use just parts of it if you want to. So I'm gonna just use the first top half, and then I'm gonna paste that in. And right here where it says add a link, let's say you was promoting a product now. So let's go over to Amazon. And let's go with a towel, because you need towels for cleaning. Let's say I was promoting this towel right here, and I wanted to add it into my post. Then I will go up here where it's this top bar right here, click on get link under get link text, click that, and then copy this link right here. You want to copy this link for whatever product you're promoting, and then go back to Pinterest, and then you add in the link. And then you choose whatever board you want to, so this is a cleaning tip, so I'll do cleaning tip. And then if you want to do a topic, so my topic is cleaning, so I'm gonna click on cleaning hacks, and that's pretty much it for the title, description, link for your pin. And then you want to hit publish, but I'm not gonna publish this because this is a terrible pin for my account. So this is just how you would do it. So, and then let's say somebody come across the pin. What I like about Pinterest is on like TikTok or Instagram, you just get one link in your bio, that's all you get. But on Pinterest, you can put in a link to a different product or a different blog post or whatever you're linking to for every piece of content you create. That is a very powerful tool. You don't have to just pick one link, just put it in your bio. You can do it for every single last post, which I love about Pinterest. All right, now that you know how to create content on Pinterest, you need a posting strategy, because if you aren't posting right on Pinterest, you're not going to grow. You're just not going to. So the first thing you need to do is realize how much content you need to create. You need to create 1 to 3 pins a day. This works best for me. You can go as many as 5 to 10. Really, Pinterest is a content hungry platform, but at the same time, once you have them pins that hit go and hit viral, they can last up to a year. So if you have a pin that's just doing really good, it can be bringing you in sales and customers, or affiliate sales to your link for up to a year, which is amazing. But just make sure you're creating 1 to 3 pins a day, like how I showed you. Just create 1 to 3 of them, or repurpose some content from TikTok or Instagram, wherever you see fit. Don't forget to credit the creators that actually make the content. And plus, let's go back to Pinterest. You don't want to be Pinterest is a platform where you need to help other people out too, get them a leg up. And what I mean by this is, all you need to do is pin their stuff too. Like this video right here, so I'm back on my cooking page. It's around cooking, and as you can see, it's a save button, and I can click whatever board I want this to be on. So I'm gonna click cooking recipes, and it's saved to that board. You want to save other people's pins to your board, because when you do this, people will come to your board because they see the other person's content on there. So you're going to be getting basically free traffic, and you're going to be helping somebody out at the same time when you repurpose other people's content to your board. So just do, just around 5 a day was good. You can do 10. So just make sure you're just pinning other people's contents and making your 1 to 3 pins a day. All right, and that right there is how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing. You got everything you need from, choosing your niche, choosing your name, choosing, your products and affiliate marketing platform, and how to create content plus your strategy. So it's no excuses on your part. It's time for you to get out there and start growing on Pinterest, because it's not that hard. It's not that hard to start growing on there, and they are great when it comes to getting traffic. A lot of people have money on Pinterest. I'm gonna tell you that right now. If you look at the statistics and the type of people that use Pinterest, they got money. So it's a great platform to use, and I hope this video was able to help you. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll be happy to help you. And good luck in your journey. Until next time.